Hi everyone. So I recently purchased this phone tripod from Amazon from UBeesize. So it comes in this box and it's very easy to open. Has a little message for us here. I want to extend the product warranty of lifetime and become a UBeesize premium member for regular giveaway activities. So there's some grammar errors there that we're just gonna ignore. So this is our base of our tripod, and it is a foamy material because it's meant to be flexible so that you can mount it on, say if you're outside and you want to take a group picture, according to the picture, you can mount it to like a tree branch and then it kind of just like hangs. So it's very neat. It's very durable. It seems like it will, you know, last you a really long time. And then we have a remote control, a button for iPhones and a button for Android. And doesn't come with a battery, so you do need, oh, it does come with a battery. Normally they don't come with a battery, so that's very neat. And then we have the base of it, which you then are supposed to connect your iPhone to. So there's my iPhone, and I guess maybe here we could connect it this way and then stand it up, and we just screw it on here. But it would make more sense for us to screw it on first and then connect our iPhone. Okay, maybe not. There we go. So it doesn't seem to be, can't stand it up, but you could just stand it sideways. It's not, then we have some other little gadgets here. Not entirely sure what this is for. Let's see if we have a booklet that tells us what that is for. I guess this is for if we have a DSLR or a digital camera, we can install it to this one here. Yeah, for sports camera, free camera, screw included. So I guess we would connect somehow. I'm not entirely sure, and I would have to figure this out. So there you have it. The UBeesize tripod for your phone. So one more thing, so you can't physically put your phone vertically. However, the UBeesize has a kind of spherical connector, and that allows you to put your phone vertically if you want. So it does stand, and it gives you different options. So that's really neat. I'm impressed so far. We're gonna see how long it lasts. Gonna take it out into nature on camping trips, and well, gotta make sure that there's balance. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. So I also forgot to say the price of it. So it was $20.99 from Amazon. With Prime, it came in 3 days. Looking forward to using it both inside the house and out. All right, guys, thanks for watching.